this point of the program, may I invite His Excellency the President to hand over a ceremonial copy of the Constitution of Kenya to His Excellency the Deputy President, Professor Kithure Kindiki, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Your Excellency. His Excellency the President is handing over the Constitution to His Excellency the Deputy President. Your Excellencies, if you could remain on stage for a brief photo session to commemorate this event. The first photo will feature His Excellency the President and His Excellency the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Thank you. What happened? What is today's topic? May I invite, thank you. May I now invite Her Ladyship, the Chief Justice, to join in the second photo.
We may take our seats. We may take our seats for the sake of the cameras behind you. We may take our seats, please.
The Honorable Chief Registrar and the Honorable Attorney General to join in the next photo.